Right, folks, today we got this here shower head, and we had some guys out here that turned the water supply off, and once they did their work and turned it back on, well, this just was barely dripping out. So my guess is what happened is the little wire screen that's up in here got all clogged up with the minerals and the hard water, all that kind of thing. So basically, you could just take this off there and clean that little screen out, and that'll probably fix the issue. But it's a little old, so we're going to go ahead and just replace the whole unit here. So let's get started, and we're going to try to get this untightened. Hopefully it's just on there finger tight, but I'll probably take this off first and go from there. Yep, I think we're going to use a wrench on that one. Make sure you support your little jobber dude that's coming out of the wall here, and use one of these crescent wrenches so that you don't mar up the thing job. This one's got some flat sections on it here. Alright, so like I say, you want to support this. Here we go. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can tell how clogged up this is. We left the washer on there. I don't know if you can see that, but looks like actually this one had one of them low flow dealer bobs in there, which is probably also another reason it got clogged up real quick. Oh my goodness. Alright. Washer doesn't look too bad. We're going to go ahead and take this here old Teflon tape off. I'll take a minute. And the new kit didn't come with any, but I got some, so we'll just put it down there. Then hand tighten it. Alright, I'll take some down off. Alright, now with our new tape, what I like to do is go clockwise, I guess, so it's in line with the way you'll screw the new thing on, and that way it doesn't try to back out my Teflon tape as I'm screwing the new one on here. And you don't gotta go crazy, just a time or two around. That's probably fine. Oh my God, there we go. Alright, well, let's get that new one up on there. Alright, very similar to dying here. I'm going to put this part, make sure it comes with the rubber gasket in there. That hadn't fallen out in the box or nothing. There we go. Now we've got hold of her. Hopefully it winds up tight upright. I don't know what I'm going to do if not, because here we go, hand tighten, and shazam. Pretty good. I'm not bothering with any Teflon tape on these. It's similar to like a garden hose. Again, it's got them rubber washers in there. Just gonna hand tighten it. I've gone ahead and already hooked up this other end. In this one, the two ends were the exact same, so it don't matter which way I put it on there. But sometimes this one here is different than this one, so just be aware of that. And we're going to stick this. Oh my gosh, there's got a magnet in there. The other one didn't have that. Well, that's pretty slick. Bam. Okay. Alright, so I think about now it's time for leak testing. We're going to run it. Let's see if I can loosen this though and bend her down some, because that's going to be spraying me right in the face. Right, stand by. Okay, so at the base of that there's a little, you can loosen that so on the ball joint and let you tilt her down, but it should be pretty good. Yeah, we'll see which way she sprays. And then in addition to this, there's a little lever on the other side that controls whether it's coming through just the center or the outside or whatever, I think. So we'll try that out, but I want to get out of the way and turn this on, see what it do, and check, see if we're leaking up here at the top. Well, alright, I call that a success. I should have given you a before shot of how dribbly it was. I got that back there on the setting that goes to both, and the other little lever so it controls normal spray out the middle. But yeah, I don't see any dripping back there. So I think I'll call this one done. Check us out next time.